Traders, super excited to be in here with you guys today. What we got today is essentially, in this video, we're going to be talking about how you can be green every single day. Now, I know you don't believe me. I know you're skeptical, and that's okay. I hear from people all the time, especially when they start trading, it's like, man, I'm red every single day. Well, why don't we believe them? If you can be a red every day, you can be green every day, because that's essentially a basis for a consistent strategy. If you're red every day, just flip your monitor upside down and you'll start being green every day. Well, what they're probably doing is buying high, selling higher, hoping higher, rather than, buying low, selling high, buying low. So today, guys, I'm going to be going over risk management in this video today. Went 2 for 7. I was only green on 2 trades today out of 7 that I took, and I was still green on the day. Now, why is that? It's proper risk management, something that people don't really want to hear about. I mean, most people just want to hear alerts. That's all they want. Give me them hot stock picks. That's all they want. No one wants to learn how to trade. But that's what I'm here to do, here to help you guys learn how to trade. That's why my pre-market streams, I don't go past 920, 925, 930. I don't want people following my trades. I want people to learn how to trade. And that's what I'm here to do. Share my journey. Everyone's got different strategies. Everyone's got a different story. Everyone's got different stuff going on. I'm just hoping that this will help somebody out along the way. So let's get straight into it, guys. Took all these charts here. Took all these trades here today, and was only green on 2 of them. But the thing is, I've been allowing my green trades to work, to pay me, to scale into those, and my losers. Actually, I've been cutting very, very quickly, and the losing trades, even if I'm more convicted on the setup in the stock, if it's not working, it's not working. I don't take it personal. Now, let's go ahead and start going over some of these trades I took today. SNDX top left. This is a hangover type of play. It's one of these stocks that I explained in my previous video, I called it my favorite short selling strategy. That's just what I was looking for. Straight out of the gates, was looking for a little bit of a sell-off here. It got overbought. There was a lot of buyers coming into the ramp at the close here on yesterday. And so these guys are now underwater. And so what I'm looking for, they were expecting a little bit of a gap up in pre-market after hours. They didn't get it. So oftentimes we'll see a little bit of a fade right initially at the start of the day. And that's all I was looking for there. So it was a nice trade. It was working out very well. So I started scaling into it. My first short, second short, and then, we got a little pop back up to VWAP. Re-shorted again there, and then started covering my position. Now it ended up coming back, and that's okay. I'm looking for the windows of opportunity, the predictability, the fast moves. The faster the move, the weaker the trend. Selling that euphoria, buying that fear. Selling high, buying low. Now, a few other of these stocks, DB, this one didn't work out. I cut it. MK, I shorted into this, very fast pop. This one was up quite a bit, actually, on the day and the previous day. Ended up cutting that one as well. Now, on these stocks that I'm cutting, if you guys don't already know, if you haven't watched my video yet on my favorite hotkey setup, not many people talk about. I have a 2% risk every single time I get into a trade. 2% risk. Every single time it's automatically set into my hotkeys, so I can't lose more than 2%. Now, that doesn't mean I'm going to allow it to get up to that 2%. If I'm not liking the trade, if it's not working out, I'm looking to cut it. So I'm working my winners and cutting my losers. CAL up here, I traded this twice. I like the setup. I like the daily. It was overbought. I was short selling that euphoria. And this one just didn't work out. I did it twice. I have a rule where I will not, if I have 2 losers on one ticker, I'm done trading it. And that has saved me from losing a lot of money. It saved me from fighting stocks. I don't fight stocks anymore. It's just, it either works or it doesn't. You're either right or you're right out. CAL wasn't happening. Just got out of that. Ended up grinding all day. Grinders, not a fan of. A lot of these stocks I trade today ended up being grinders. MIK, a grinder. DB, this one's slow, grindy. CAL and LSCC, all the same story here. LSCC, same story. Shorted it into this pot from $20 up to $22. It didn't even have a pullback on it. Didn't even have a pullback until it climbed up to 23. Then a little bit of a fade right here down to the VWAP. But that was it. SM, this one was a grinder throughout the day as well. So ended up This one I was just risking over high a day, which was 376. I noticed it became heavy After 376 was hit, it filled the gap on the chart. So I'm always looking left of the chart at the past chart history. We do 3 different types of analysis. I'll always do the fundamental analysis, trader analysis, and technical analysis. Always looking left of the chart and seeing the gap to fill. It was looking heavy, so I started shorting into this winner, risking high a day, which was a very small risk there. This one ended up working out. We had a lot of selling pressure, got heavy, sold on off, a lot of panic there. So ended up, getting some good fills down there. I think my best fill was about 321 with nearly a 370 average. So that one ended up working great. I cut 5 and 2 worked for me and still green on the day. So today just fine. And it's a way that you can be green the majority of the time. If you have proper risk management in place, there's nothing to it. You can cut your losers, let your winners work for you. Don't take it personal. Don't let your ego in the way. And you'll be just fine. Allowing your winners to work, scaling into those versus scaling into losers. I haven't had a great, history of scaling into losers. So I'm trying to work these winners more than the losers. Sometimes I'd take it personal and I'd focus my attention on losing trades rather than finding the winning trades out there, or I'd be missing them. I wouldn't be taking the winning trades because I'm too wrapped up in these losers that I can't even find them and focus on them. So that was it today, guys. Traded a bunch today, 7 times, which is why I got all these charts up here, because trading quite a bit throughout the day. Ended up only having 2 green trades, but still made it work with proper risk management. So I hope you guys learned something. Let me know if you have any questions today. Always happy to help you guys out. Make sure you hit that like button for me, guys. Love you all. Hit the subscribe button. We will see you all next time.